Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle, window switch and the entire door panel from a Peugeot 307. So first of all, we need to remove this trim that surrounds the door handle. You can see I took it from the left side. You can see you have some pins all over the trim, so you need to carefully put a flat screwdriver or a trim remover and just push it gently, and that's it. Now we're going to disconnect the wiring loom from the window switch. You can see this pin here. We need to push it towards us like this and pull it out. And to take the switch out of the trim, you just need to use a small flat screwdriver to bring up the, you see this pin here, and you disconnect it. Now to remove the interior door handle, we need to disassemble the entire door panel. So first of all, we need to undo two T20 screws. The one is here in the handle and the second one is here, you can see it. To remove this interior door handle, you need to push it from the side closer to the car and then push it into your left side. And now we are going to remove the entire door handle. After we remove the two screws, there's like 4 or 5 pins, plastic pins here. So we need to force the door panel towards you and then lift it up. It's quite hard to do it, but so you can always use like a big trim remover or a big flat screwdriver to leverage your power. You can see I put in the screwdriver, and now I'm just putting it and releasing all of the door pins. And now we just need to lift the door handle up and disassemble this wiring loom that go to the speaker. You can see you can push this button. Okay, now after we removed the door panel, we are going to remove this door handle. To remove the door handle, you need to push the door handle towards the car like this, and you can see I released it. Now you need to undo this cable and release it from here. To remove this cable, you need to push those pins towards, you can see, towards the cable. Now it's released from this plastic, so we need to take it a bit more outside and lift it over the cable. Let me just release it from this cover, and the final step is easy. You can see, just take this metal rod out, and that's it. If you want to see more videos of how to disassemble parts from this Peugeot 307, please subscribe. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you need more parts for your Peugeot 307, please contact us with the email in the description below. Thank you very much.